I just received my quarter sheet pan that I ordered. Now this is from Nordic Ware, and the reason I picked this is because I kept reading reviews that this is one of the top brands on lasting. I have been through so many different pans. I wanted to find something that lasted, and they're saying this will, so I'm hoping so. But this is made of aluminum, and I wish you could feel it because it is solid. There is some weight to it, and the one I picked had the grooves here. And this size again is a quarter sheet, and it on the outside is 12 by 9. So just wanted to show you in detail this. Again, this is from Nordic Ware. Has this edge here. That way you could just grab it from here and not touch anything that you don't need to. Like that. Again, this is made of aluminum. It does say that you should hand wash these, so keep that in mind if you decide to get this. And also to only use nylon, wood, silicone utensils on these. That way you don't scratch it up and tear it up. Can't wait to start using it. I hope this information was helpful. Have a great day.